Mahindra and Mahindra Limited (M&M) is an Indian multinational automotive manufacturing corporation headquartered in Mumbai and is the parent company of Mahindra Group. Company was founded as a steel trading company on October 2, 1945, in Ludhiana as Mahindra and Mohammed by brothers Kailash Chandra Mahindra and Jagdish Chandra Mahindra, along with Malik Ghulam Muhammad. The company's name was Mahindra and Mohammed and later in 1948 renamed as Mahindra and Mahindra. Mr. Anand Mahindra is the present chairman of Mahindra Group. He is the grandson of Jagdish Chandra Mahindra. Dr. Anish Shah is the Group CEO of the Mahindra Group and the Managing Director of M&M, which is the parent company of the Mahindra Group. In 1947, M&M had started assembling Willys Jeeps in Mumbai. In 1956, M&M went public on stock exchange. In 1961, M&M formed a joint venture with US's International Harvester to pioneer Mahindra-branded tractors in India. By 2023, the total vehicles produced are 1.1 million and total vehicles sold are 1.1 million. The revenue of the M&M is 1,22,475 crore. The net worth is 42,858 crore and the share price is 1,642 rupees. The products of M&M are automobiles, commercial vehicles, tractors, motorcycles.